This is question number 2 of exercise 6.3. The figure and question is mentioned on the blackboard. According to this question, this is the figure. Angle X 62 degree, angle XYZ 54 degree, and YO and ZO. These are the two line segments which are just bisector of angle Y and angle Z. These two line segments intersect at O. Then we have to find out the value of OZY and YOZ. Now, in triangle XYZ, we know angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. According to angle sum property, त्रिभुज का यह नियम है कि इसके तीनों एंगल का योग इस त्रिभुज में एक्स वाई जेड में एंगल एक्स, एंगल वाई और एंगल जेड तीनों का योग 180 डिग्री होता है. एंड इन दिस ट्रायंगल टू एंगल्स आर गिवन, एंगल एक्स एंड एंगल वाई. So angle X 62 degree plus angle Y 54 degree and plus Z, which we have to find out, angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So 116 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle Z is equal to 180 minus 116 degree, that is 64 degree. This angle Z, it means angle X, Z, Y is equal to 64 degree. Now we have to find out OZY, and YOZ. क्योंकि OZ is a bisector of angle XZY. So angle OZY is equal to 64 बटा 2. It means 32 degree. This is the value of angle OZY. Because OZ is bisector of angle XZY, so this angle is equal to 32 degree. Now, in triangle OYZ, angle O plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Angle O, it means YOZ. This implies angle YOZ plus angle Y is equal to 54. It is the total value of this angle Y. So this angle is just half of 54 degree. Then it is 27 degree plus angle Z, which we have found 32 degree, is equal to 180 degree. चूंकि angle OYZ is equal to 54 बटा 2 is equal to 27 degree. This implies angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 7 to 9, 3 to 5, 59. is equal to 121 degree. This is the answer. YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 is equal to 121. This is the value of angle YOZ, and this is the method by which we can solve the problem. That's all. This is question number 3. Just I am going to solve this problem. AB and DE both are parallel line segment. Angle BAE and CDE are given. We have to find out angle DCE only. So solution is AB parallel to DE. So angle BAC is equal to angle CED is equal to 35 degree due to alternate interior angle. Both lines are parallel, so these and these angles are alternate interior angle. If this is 35, clearly this angle is also 35 degree. Now, in triangle DEC, angle D plus angle E plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and this is only due to angle sum property of the triangle. Due to angle sum property of triangle. And angle D is given 53 degree plus angle E is equal to 35 degree, and angle C, which we have to find out, is equal to 180 degree. This is 88 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 88 degree, and this is 92 degree. This implies angle DCE is equal to 92 degree. Answer. This is the answer of this question. It means angle DCE is equal to 92 degree.